Hey, this is my Sunday refresh video. This is kind of like what my daily routine looks like on Sundays, getting back and ready for the next week. I typically kind of try and do a lot of my chores on Sunday, get a lot of things done, so this is kind of what it looks like. It is a fun day, but it's not a fun day because you gotta do responsible things, but I love the feeling of being organized and just having my stuff together and going into a new week fresh. So let's do it. First order of business is laundry. I need to wash my sheets today, so that's kind of like the first thing I'm gonna do. And then kind of quickly organize my room, so by the time my laundry is done, it's very easy to fold and put stuff away. So I basically tidied up the majority of the room, put things away, cleared my desk, organized. Now I'm just gonna get actually ready for the gym, and like brush my teeth and wash my face is the next step. So this is the fit. I don't know if you can see it, but I really like this shirt. It's Dead Threads. I live in Orlando, so the Florida Panthers, of course. And off-elite shorts are my freaking favorite. If you guys are interested in getting a Dead Threads t-shirt, I have a code you can use for 10% off on top of if they have an ongoing sale, or just like on the base price. They're so comfortable. It's comfort colors too. I'm literally obsessed with it. But let's go brush our teeth and wash our face and then have a little bit of breakfast. But it's officially 9:21, like an hour and 20 minutes that it took for me to kind of get organized, clean my room, get ready for the gym. And now I'm gonna make some breakfast because I don't like really going to the gym on an empty stomach. I'm gonna be doing Stairmaster, so like really quick workout. So I'm just gonna make a really light breakfast, drink a full glass of water because I haven't really had any water this morning, and then go to the gym. Okay, so I made breakfast. This is kind of what I made. Eggs with whole or multigrain toast with jelly and just some ketchup. Very simple, very tasty. Yeah, and I'm a weirdo who likes sweet and salty. So what I'll do is I'll dip my egg in my ketchup and then eat it off my toast. Now is the part of the morning where before I go to the gym, I like to plan out what I'm going to make for the week for lunches and dinners. So I can have an idea when I go grocery shopping. And then also I'm gonna journal a little bit before I leave. And I'm gonna go to the gym and then go grocery shopping. Okay, so I'm officially done journaling and now I'm gonna do a quick scratch meal plan. I typically do it on my iPad because it's easier and I have like a little template that I use. I don't know if you can see it. It just says like weekly meal plan. There's columns here, places, okay, like this is what I need to buy on my grocery list and notes or whatever. So yeah, I just fill this out, kind of recipe, and you can have like multiple pages of it. It's really easy and simple to use and makes just like deciding what I'm gonna eat each week very easy. Okay, so I'm done with the gym. I'm going to Publix now. I have my iPad and I just really need to pick up a few things for lunch this week. I really need milk because I didn't have my coffee today or yesterday. Rude as hell. And then there's a Marshall's right here and I can't help myself. I really want a like spooky mug because I want to start like trying different coffees at home because I'm a coffee addict and I spend way too much. And I feel like if I stimulate myself with trying new coffees, then I won't go out and get coffee all the time. We'll see, I could be just delusional, but to the Publix first, then to the Marshalls next, then home. We're halfway done. Just have to finish up my laundry and that's it. Okay, I am finally back. It has been forever since I went to the gym, but I'm gonna show you my grocery haul. I got a few things. I got apples, tomatoes, lemons, limes, one sweet potato, bread from Publix, whipped cream for my coffee, chicken, deli meat for my sandwiches, hummus, strawberries for my yogurt, sour cream, a cucumber, milk, eggs, and then last but not least, I got a mug from Marshall's. Let me see. I got a mug from Marshall's. I think it's fitting with the pumpkin theme. See, but it was $4.99, not bad, and it's perfect for my little pumpkin latte. All right, that is the end of my Sunday reset. Thank you so much for joining, and I can't wait to see you next time. Now I'm gonna light a candle, put on a good YouTube video, and get ready to settle in for the night. But I'll see you next time.